Fire TV Wi-Fi connected but no internet. This problem is very common. And in the next few minutes, I will show you real tested solutions that actually work. No guesswork, no useless tips. First, quick 10 seconds hook. If your Fire TV says connected to Wi-Fi but apps are not loading, videos are not playing, and internet is not working, then stay till the end. One of these steps will fix it, guaranteed. Now, solution number 1, restart Fire TV the correct way. Do not just unplug it. Go to settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to restart. Wait until Fire TV fully restarts. Many background network glitches are fixed by a proper restart. Solution number 2, restart your router and modem. Turn off the router and modem. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Then turn on modem first. After 1 minute, turn on the router. This refreshes the internet session from your internet service provider. Solution number 3, check date and time settings. Wrong time can block internet access. Go to settings, then go to preferences, then go to time zone. Select your correct country and time zone. Then go back and make sure automatic time is enabled. Solution number 4, forget Wi-Fi and reconnect. Go to settings, then go to network. Select your Wi-Fi network. Press the menu button and choose forget network. Restart Fire TV once again. Now reconnect to Wi-Fi by entering the password carefully. Solution number 5, switch Wi-Fi frequency. Fire TV works best on 2.4 GHz. If your router is using 5 GHz, connection may show but internet may fail. Go to your router settings and enable 2.4 GHz. Then connect Fire TV to that network. Solution number 6, disable VPN and DNS apps. If you are using any VPN, proxy, or custom DNS, turn it off. VPN often causes connected but no internet issues on Fire TV. Restart Fire TV after disabling. Solution number 7, check power saving settings. Go to settings, then go to system, then power saving, then go to set time. Set it to never. Power saving can disconnect internet in idle state. Final solution, check software update. Go to settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then go to check for updates. Outdated software can break internet connectivity. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real fixes are coming.